I'll be using some powder sugar, that is 500 grams, CmC powder, as you can see, gelatin powder, this is what I'll be using, corn syrup, I got it in a supermarket, and some water, and my measuring spoons. So let's start. So here I have my pot. I am going to put 1 tablespoon of glucose syrup, 1 tablespoon of gelatin, and 5 tablespoons of water, and I'm going to mix all of them together and transfer it to the stove. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of glucose syrup, that's it, 1 tablespoon of glucose syrup. I'll also be adding 5 tablespoons of water. 5 tablespoons of water. Very important to always follow your measurement. I'm just going to give it a quick stir and transfer it to the stove. You can also use a microwave and let it dissolve for 5 seconds. That's it. So I have my powdered sugar. I'm going to add half teaspoon of CmC powder, and I'm also going to take the gelatin mixture that has been dissolved, and I'm going to pour it onto the powdered sugar, and I'm going to mix it all together. So this is the gelatin mixture. It is well dissolved. What I'll do is I'm going to take it and pour it on top of the powdered sugar. In the middle, I'm going to stir it with a spatula. I'm going to use a spatula to mix it all together until it turns to a dough. You can also transfer it to a bowl. So this is it. This is how it looks like. It is ready to be used. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to Marie's channel. Bye.